I wish all the students a very blessed morning, and as well as best of luck for all the exams. With Christ, you can do everything. Thank you for having a patient listening. God bless you.
Taking examinations is bound to be stressful because of what's at stake. Most students feel a weight of expectation from family, school, university, or workplace to succeed. Many are afraid that they are not good enough or haven't worked hard enough. Nor do exams exist in isolation. There may well be other events going on in a student's life that put them under pressure. If stress levels rise too high for too long, it can be harmful both to students and to their chances. Controlled at the right level, however, stress can work to students' advantage because it can help them to produce their peak performance. With this very aim, the University of Loma Linda, situated in California, United States, for the first time in 100 years decided to invite a special speaker from an Asian country to address students ahead of their examinations. NMTV feels honored to share with you that the special speaker was NMTV Editor-in-Chief Dr. Ravi Subbiah, who inspired and motivated students with his story. Dr. Ravi Subbiah shared his journey from being born in the slums of Dharavi in a poor family to becoming the first physically challenged accredited television journalist in the world. Having been diagnosed with polio at the age of 3 years, there were 25 children who were admitted at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences at Haji Ali in Mumbai with polio. 24 died of electric shock. Only Dr. Ravi Subbiah survived. But doctors gave him maximum 1 year life. In complete despair, Dr. Ravi's mother decided to throw him in the Arabian Sea coast at Haji Ali. But fate had other plans, and a God-sent evangelist discouraged Dr. Ravi's mother and asked her to have faith and hope in God. The rest, as they say, is history. Dr. Ravi Subbiah attended education from Mainstream Education, got his bachelor degree from Mumbai University, and went on to start a cable business in the city of Navi Mumbai. It's not as easy as it sounds. Each phase came with its set of challenges, problems, sacrifices, and tests. His disability made him a victim of abuse, bickering, insult, embarrassment, neglect, and humiliation. But instead of losing to the bitter tests of life, Dr. Ravi Subbiah turned every adversity into opportunity and went on to become the first physically challenged television journalist in the world. This feat was recognized when the University of Jerusalem conferred on him an honorary doctorate. Dr. Ravi Subbiah's story of battling struggles has become a source of inspiration for people across the world. After addressing students in schools, colleges, and universities in India, Dr. Ravi Subbiah was invited to address and inspire the youth and community at Oxford, London in 2010.
Agnes, you probably all heard, and we work amongst the young people of Oxford.
Last week, he was invited by the management of Loma Linda University to address students who are going to appear for their examinations. Dr. Ravi Subbiah shared his journey with these students and mentored them never to give up in life, no matter how big the challenge is.
The world says that I am physically challenged, but God has made me completely abled. And the disability has been converted into possibilities. So I've run an NGO, I run a TV station, and God has blessed me in everything. I wish all the students a very blessed morning, and as well as best of luck for all the exams. With Christ, you can do everything. Thank you for having a patient listening. God bless you.
Dr. Ravi Subbiah's speech and address was covered live in Loma Linda, and he was later interviewed on television channels broadcast in the United States of America. Dr. Ravi Subbiah believes that life always brings challenges, tests and problems, but one only has to do their best with faith, will and determination to experience how beautiful and wonderful life can be. From California, with camera person Sana Varsia, Zeba Varsia for NMTV News.